Okay, thanks for watching this. My name is Jeff Cohen from kidsportstickers.com, and if you're watching this, you probably have one of these. This is a customized, personalized sticker for your child. They cost $9.95 from kidsportstickers.com, and I'm here to show you how to install it on your car. So what you need to do is first locate the area that you want to put the sticker. What we're going to do is put ours about right here. And first things first is that the vehicle needs to be as clean as possible. So what I'm going to do is clean it with some Windex. So sorry about that. Some dust and a little bit of bird dew on there. But you want it to be as clean as possible. Okay. Then what I like to do to make sure the thing is lined up and squared up properly is attach a little bit of tape to the sticker. And the way I do that is like this, just some masking tape. Like this. And then you kind of put it where you want it. Put your tape across there. And what that does is it kind of holds your sticker in place so you can peel it off and get it laid down straight. So you just peel it off like this. The sticker should stick to the masking, which is the top layer here. The blue part, you just throw that away. Now what I've got is a squeegee. You use this for vehicle wraps and stuff, but any type of hard plastic would work. What you do is you just start working your way down, making sure it's as smooth as possible. Avoid getting any wrinkles in there, and then peel it off. There you go. Hannah's going to be happy. Thanks for watching.